You can be surrounded by people and still feel completely alone. You laugh with them, you talk to them, you sit in the same room. But deep inside, something feels empty, like no one really understands you. And the worst part? You don't even know why. You start questioning yourself. Why do I feel like this? I have people around me. So why do I still feel lonely? And slowly, this feeling gets heavier. You stop sharing your thoughts. You start pretending you're okay. You smile, even when you don't feel anything. And day by day, you feel more disconnected. If this feels familiar, then listen carefully. Because this is not just loneliness. This is emotional disconnection. The truth is, you don't feel lonely because people are missing. You feel lonely because connection is missing. Real connection. The kind where you can be yourself without fear of being judged. The kind where someone truly listens, not just hears. But today, most conversations are shallow. We talk, but we don't open up. We listen, but we don't understand. And slowly, we build walls around ourselves. You might be surrounded by people, but if you can't be real with them, you will always feel alone. Now here's something important. You don't fix loneliness by adding more people to your life. You fix it by creating deeper connections. Even one real connection is enough. Now think about this. There was a boy. He had friends. He laughed with them every day. From the outside, his life looked completely fine. But inside, he felt empty. When he went home, the silence felt heavy. He would scroll for hours, trying to distract himself, but nothing worked. Because the problem wasn't boredom, it was disconnection. One day, something small happened. Instead of pretending everything was okay, he opened up. Not to everyone, just to one person. He spoke honestly about how he really felt. And for the first time, someone actually listened. No judgment, no advice, just understanding. And something changed. That heavy feeling became lighter. Not completely gone, but easier. Because now, he wasn't carrying it alone. And maybe that's what you need too. You don't need 100 people. You don't need constant conversations. You need one space where you can be real. So instead of asking, why do I feel lonely? Ask yourself, who can I be real with? Start small. Open up a little. Be honest, even if it feels uncomfortable. Because real connection doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being real. And once you feel that, loneliness slowly fades away. You were never alone. You just didn't feel understood. And now you know why.